Third and fourth graders, welcome back and Happy New Year. Welcome to your first asynchronous music lesson in the year 2021. I'm so excited you're here. We have a great lesson for you today. We're going to be learning a folk song from the Virgin Islands. It's called Four White Horses. We're going to learn how to sing it, and then I encourage you to click on the video below this one to learn all about a really fun hand clapping game that goes with this song. The hand clapping game requires you to do it with 4 people, but you can still also follow along and do it with just 2 if you just have one person to do it with. So here we go. Please keep a steady beat with me across on your shoulder just like this as I sing. 4 white horses on the river, hey, hey, hey. Up tomorrow is a rainy day. Come on and join our shadow play. Shadow play is a ripe banana, hey, hey, hey. Up tomorrow is a rainy day. All right. We're going to try it one more time, and this time I want you to clap as you follow along. Okay, try to sing with me if you can. 1, 2, here we go. 4 white horses on the river, hey, hey, hey. Up tomorrow is a rainy day. Come on and join our shadow play. Shadow play is a ripe banana. Hey, hey, hey. Up tomorrow is a rainy day.